Good afternoon. Welcome to day 371 at the EMA office, where we bring you the latest in the COVID numbers and the information on our vaccination site. Joined here with Chairman Mark Kern today, and today Randy Randolph, the operations manager. Randy, you've got our numbers for today.
Yes, sir, I do. So we'll dive right in. For St. Clair County totals, we've tested 304,015 residents. That's an increase of 1,172 since yesterday. Of those, 28,979 were positive. That's an increase of 67 since yesterday. Both males and females under the age of 10 through their 80s. It brings our daily county positivity rate to 5.7%. Negative test results is 275,036. For deaths, unfortunately, we are announcing one additional COVID-related death. That was a female in their 80s with unknown health conditions, bringing our total to 464. And as always, our thoughts and prayers go out to their friends and family. Those that have completed their IDPH required 10-day isolation period, 28,011. For state totals, they've tested 19,481,259. with an increase since yesterday of 2,380, bringing the total positive cases to 1,218,470. For deaths, the state is reporting an increase of 12 deaths since yesterday, bringing the total deaths in the state of Illinois to 21,034. For hospitalization numbers, those that are currently hospitalized in St. Clair County due to COVID-related reasons, we have 38 patients, and 5 of them are on ventilators. For regional COVID-19 patients hospitalized due to COVID-related reasons, there are 61, and 6 of those are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities and outbreak status, remember that this is a cumulative number, and we will only announce changes. Bria of Belleville has an addition of 1 death, bringing their total to 111 cases and 11 deaths. Before I turn it over to the chairman for the zip code report, remember that testing is still an important aspect of getting through this pandemic, and you can do that with modified days at St. Clair Square. They are open Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and Saturday from 8 to 4, and that information is posted on our Facebook page. Chairman?
Thank you, Randy. Let's take a look at the zip codes today. So in 62203, we're up 3 to 618. 62204 is up 1 to 392. 62205 up 3 to 636. 62206 is down 1 to 1,290. 62208 up 6 to 1630. 62220 up 7 to 2,077. 62221 up 2 to 2,776. 62223 up 9 to 1,757. 62225 up 1 to 141. 62226 up 7 to 3,199. 62232 up 2 to 899. 62239 up 3 to 470. 62243 up 2 to 774. 62254 up 3 to 799. 62255 up 1 to 79. 62258 up 5 to 1,050. 62260 up 1 to 799. 62269 up 9 to 3,260, and 62285 up 3 to 568. So we saw 67 new positives in the county today, 1,172 people tested. That brings our county positivity up to 5.7%, which then brings the rolling average also up to 4.7%. Regional positivity, though, goes down today to 3.3% because Bond County comes in at 0.5%, Clinton 2.1%, Madison 6.3%, Monroe is at 8% today. Randolph is at 0.4%. St. Clair, 2.9%. And Washington County at 4.2%. So Herb, some announcements coming from Springfield today about some new availability categories for people to get vaccinated. You know, if you look at the age ranges, it's pretty clear from what we see that the numbers of people 60s, 70s, and 80s has really decreased a lot. And now it's really those 10 to 50 or in their 50s that are really the major categories. So it would signal to me just at a glance that maybe it's the vaccines that are causing that. So now we want to get the rest of the world vaccinated. So what opened up?
Starting Monday, they're going to open up the government employees and people of that. Higher education is in that category, along with media personnel. And then on the 29th, food and beverages, construction, and religion categories will open up. And then, of course, April 12th is the date that will be wide open, and we're all looking forward for that day. I'm sure there's a lot of individuals out there ready for that. So it's had a good talk with the deputy director of IEMA today, just praising the site. He got the information from the director, and so just really, we another 2,500 residents in the county, people going through there today. And the thing is, we got people coming from all over the area now to this site. So,
and we've been assured that vaccine is really going to start to become far more available now than it's ever been. That's a good thing, and we've got the capacity there. Once we get more vaccine, we'll be able to bring more people through and get us through this pandemic. The only way to do it is to get the largest number of people vaccinated as possible, and I think we're making big progress here in the county.
well, I think it's just a testament, as we say every day, to the Team St. Clair. Remember some of the comments today. Kathleen says, got my second shot. We were grateful to have an excellent model vaccination site here in St. Clair County. Another Team St. Clair member, Shelley, says, my daughter had her second vaccine. She was in and out super fast. And those are those are Team St. Clair members that have really been appreciative for 371 days. And, there was a time several months ago we were all scratching our heads saying, when's this thing going to end? And that's what I tried to get from the deputy director today. I said, could you tell me a drop dead date? And boy, he said, if I could do that, he said, I'd be the number one person in the state. So,
but we know the one way that this does end, according to the new guidelines that have come out, is it's all going to be based upon is the appropriate number of people, and we reach that number in the community and in the state. Once we reach that number, then we get to open fully. So that's why more vaccinations are better, because then it leads to reopening.
And that's our goal. We want to get to a reopening that helps everybody individually, helps our businesses. And that's what we're all striving for. And plus, we get this invisible enemy, as we've been calling it for 371 days, get it behind us, get it under control. I want to take a minute today. I want to thank your mother for providing the lunch today for the National Guard and our staff members down there. They really appreciated it. So again, we appreciate everybody who has helped us do the Friday little lunch that we try to feed those staff members on. They really appreciate it, because they are truly working hard down there, getting those needles in the arms, and it's really appreciative. So we thank Mrs. Kern for that. We'll be back tomorrow for day 372. Everybody try to have a good weekend, and we'll see you here tomorrow afternoon.
I have battled this virus both professionally and personally. Professionally, I can tell you firsthand that it's greatly impacted our community, caused the loss of many lives, and continues to spread today. Personally, I can tell you that I contracted COVID-19, and it definitely is not the flu. This virus affects everyone differently, however, many have severe consequences. Please take this time to help your friends, your family, your neighbors, and the entire region by wearing a mask, washing your hands, and watching your distance. Together, we will overcome this invisible enemy.